Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CaptainBNB token. Name of the token is CaptainBNB, ticker symbol is also CaptainBNB, all one word. And this token here just got a huge central exchange listing today, and we're going to go over the information on the CaptainBNB token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced today that this token, it's a very big project. It says here, CaptainBNB is now available on MEXC Global. New listing alert. This is the initial listing alert, and this was just posted 7 hours ago. So if you are looking to get this token, it just got a very big central exchange listing. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at CaptainBNB_BSC. And we'll get to the socials and the chart and all that stuff in a second here. And yeah, so this token here is now available on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CaptainBNB, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there is an article that just popped up on the sidebar on Twitter when I was looking at this initial listing alert, called CaptainBNB, the rise of BNB chain's mascot. So it's a little quick story. It says this was last updated 55 minutes ago, and it says the story is a summary of posts on X and may evolve over time. Grok can make mistakes and verify its output. So this is a little quick synopsis from Grok. And Grok is the AI on Twitter. If you didn't know, it's like ChatGPT for X. But he, is it a he? It, whatever. CaptainBNB, it says, the newly launched mascot token for the BNB chain has quickly become a focal point for the cryptocurrency community. Within hours of its launch, it's achieved a market cap exceeding $20 million, with some posts predicting it could reach $100 million. Now, take what Grok says here with a grain of salt, because even though Grok is a super smart AI, prediction-wise, I mean, obviously, predictions are predictions, and they're not guarantees whatsoever. So the token's rapid rise is attributed to the association with the BNB chain, endorsements from influential figures like CZ of Binance, and its listing on several central exchanges like MEXC Global. Discussions around CaptainBNB reflect a bullish market sentiment, with community members and investors expressing optimism about the potential to become the leading meme coin during the current BNB season. The token has seen significant trading volume and has been highlighted for its organic growth and community support, with many users sharing charts and predictions of further price increases. Now, why I read that is because this token does not have a web page as of yet, but it does have a Twitter that you could check out. That is right in the corner of the screen right here. And that is at CaptainBNB underscore BSC. And it does have a link to a Telegram there as well that you can check out. We'll get to that in a second. But there's 71 tweets so far on the Twitter. You can see it's brand new, just joined February 2025. 1,799 followers for CaptainBNB. And if you go over to their charts, you could find some other links like to their BSC scan. Now their BSC scan says 5,363 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion CaptainBNB tokens. Their Telegram is at CaptainBNB Portal, 809 subscribers, and you can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this project. Along with the Twitter. And if you wanted to get this token here in a decentralized way, you can get it off of PancakeSwap. Now, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store BSC tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. And you could download that wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You could fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with BSC, you'd go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address, you could find on their Twitter or their BSC scan or web page. Actually, they don't have a web page. A Dex Screener chart, Dex Tools chart. You can find it all over the place. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you probably will not have to set slippage. Actually, I could check that right now. So this token here says 0% buy and sell tax, so you won't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off PancakeSwap. So there's already been a community takeover for this token as well, according to Dex Screener. It says a community claimed ownership for this token February 10th. It says the original dev farmed the community, and then the community took over. CaptainBNB, the mascot of the BNB chain. BNB chain was caged for too long. Time to unleash. Go Plus Security and Quick Intel security audits on Dex Screener say no issues on them whatsoever. There's a token sniffer audit. It says they got 70 out of 100, so just be aware that that's not perfect. They're up 30,417% in the past 24 hours. 24-hour trading volume of $44.8 million just today. And this token pair was actually just created 16 hours ago. And they're trending #1 right now on Dex Screener. Token price is 2 cents per token, and market cap and fully diluted valuation are $21.3 million. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.